Welcome to PyChallenger School. Topic: Namespaces. They are important concepts in programming that allow you to define which names correspond to which objects in your program. The global namespace is where variables are declared that are available throughout the program. In example, we declare the variable x and assign it the value 5 in the global namespace. Local namespaces are where you declare variables that are only available in a specific function or block of code. In example, we declare a function that contains a variable y with a value of 10. Module namespaces are where variables and functions in your module are declared. In example, we create a module that contains a variable z with the value hello, world. Want to know more about Python? Join the Telegram bot, PyChallenger, from the description of this video.